and it will reestablish the glorious reign of Lucifer on the earth.
I see. So a lot of members of the Illuminati are rich, so how much money did you stash away while you're a member of the Illuminati?
Well, somehow I missed out on that. I didn't ever get very rich. In fact, you know, when I was in the Illuminati, I was working, you know, basically as either a security guard or else shoving newspapers into boxes for the Milwaukee Sentinel. You know, so I was given to understand if I stayed with the program a while that I probably would have met some very wealthy people and so on. But of course, Yahweh kind of got me out of it before that.
I see. So were you on the inside or outside fringe? Do you have any idea where you...
Well, I was told there were 5 degrees in the Illuminati. Everything in the Illuminati is based on the law of 5s. Oh. That's why, for example, one of the main symbols of the Illuminati is this, which is the Roman numeral 5.
Ah.
It wasn't V for victory that Winnie Churchill was flashing. It was the Illuminati. That's the same sign that Richard Nixon would always use.
Oh.
And that's because both of them were Illuminists.
Why 5? What does 5 mean?
Well, 5 is, see, if you take there's all sorts of reasons for it. There's 5 extremities on the human body. You know, 2 hands, 2 feet, and head. The pentagram, the pentagon. See, the pentagon is a symbol of the Illuminati. One of them. I mean, also, obviously, the all-seeing eye and the triangle is another symbol of the Illuminati, like we find on their dollar bill. But the pentagon is one of their very key symbols. And then secondarily is the pentagram. The other reason they say is that if in Scripture, number 5 in the Hebrew Bible and even in the Christian Bible is the number of death. You know, like Yeshua had 5 wounds.
Mm-hmm.
And ultimately also there are 23 chromosomes. And, you know, you add 2 plus 3, you get 5.
Okay.
That's how the occult mind. See, everything is about, you know, numerological computing, you know, and even with Illuminism. That's why, you know, there's no coincidence the fact that 9/11 happened on 9/11.
Or the number that we ring for the police is
Right,
911.
Right, yeah. Because see, 11 is a very, very powerful number in numerology, and so is 9. In fact, 9 is the ultimate satanic number because it's the only selfish number of the primary ordinals. You know what I mean by a selfish number?
No.
It always returns to itself. This is fascinating. Let me illustrate. Let's say, and pick any number at random, like in your mathematics tables. No.
4.
9 times what? 4?
4.
That's 36, right? Mm-hmm. 3 plus 6 is 9.
Right. Okay.
9 times 9 is 81. 8 plus 1 is 9.
Okay.
9 times 8 is 72. 7 plus 2 is 9. No matter what number you multiply by 9, it will always reduce down to 9, even if you're up into like 8 or 9 digits.
So in the 911, what was the significance of the 11?
Well, see, 11 is a numerological number, meaning the beginning of a new octave.